Hello everybody. You can get free from all your debts and financial problems. But this can be done only if you wish so. Today many people are struggling with financial problems in day-to-day life, are troubled by debts. Many people are not getting jobs. There is no capital to start a new business, and many people are troubled by increasing expenses. To solve many such problems, under the Green Glory Welfare Foundation, social work is being done in different categories to provide platform for getting help in accidental incidents, hospital expenses, medical expenses, and major illnesses, and also for children's educational expenses. And Karz Mukti Abhiyan campaign is also being run all over India. The main objective of this help system is to help to needy person in India, and he should get the benefit of it, and every person can get free from debts and financial problems. Is there a financial problem in your life or somebody's life you know, which is not leaving us to lead a good life? If your answer is yes, then I have knowledge of a system which has changed a lot in my life for the last 6 months. I will talk about one and only one system which is slowly strengthening itself in every corner of India and doing the service of the nation's help to those needy persons. This system is designed for those people who are financially weak and backward and are troubled by debts or are struggling with financial problems, who are not getting help from others. By considering it as a social activity, every person in India can become free from debts and can overcome all the troubles of every person which they are facing in the society now at present. Now let us see what it is. I beg your pardon. I am going to ask you just a single and simple question. Have you recently visited post office so far? Then your answer will be that I can't tell, or I can't remember exactly. Our new generation may not know about postcard, inland letters, and postal ticket, etc. We do not have to go to post office right now. Nowadays our way of going to the post office is closing. Don't you feel that we are losing a lot of post office income? The government of India alone is doing the work of protecting Indian Post. So, is it not our duty to serve the nation from our side? Let us come to all of us to work together to increase the trend of new generation on behalf of Indian Postal Service access to the smallest village of India and making it popular among the major population. And through this system contribute towards the reducing the problems of Indians. So, have you heard anything about Green Glory system? This is the main purpose of Green Glory, to make Indian Post Office stand out against the foreign courier companies and to give status to Indian Postal Service to the international level in #1 position, and also to reduce the problems of the Indians. This is the main objective of Green Glory. To help each other, we are helping needy people through the service of post office. Indian Post is a good media for sending help to donors, and this help is sent by money order. Actually, post office and Green Glory have no any relation. You can receive and also pay donation through money order or online money transfer through UPI ID. Every person living in India can be connected to this system who has a PAN card or Aadhaar card, permanent or temporary address, email ID, mobile number, and only rupees 3,200. Now let me tell you how I get connected to this system and how this system works. After getting contact with my known person, he gave me an opportunity in his own form by adding my name through his reference. I have requested to get help in this system only once by giving help of rupees 3,200 to others. When my known person gave me the form to get help, in which his name was in number 1 in the donors list, then I went to the post office only once and voluntarily sent the help of rupees 1,000, 1,000 and 1,000 by money order to the 3 names written in the form who had involved earlier before me to get help. After receiving the money order receipt, which I sent as a help through the post, the known person has given in the form my name with my full address, email, mobile number, donor number and duly own signature by pasting the money order receipts on the form, clear photo or duly scanned photo uploaded by the ID of the system's website. The EMO PNR written on the request of the money order sent is tracked in the track consignment on the website of Indian Post. After confirmation of the money order, my name also involved in the system. In this way, a part of this system you should also make a needy families of India by introducing correct information about this system and also give them a chance to get help. To get help yourself, give the help to others. You can help many people by giving them this type of help. Your help is arranged by each of the donors who are introduced by you. You have to follow the rules of the system for canvassing and publicity by giving the right information to the people. Keep in mind, to get continuous help, include at least 4 helping families as a donors within 60 days. At least 4 needy families should be getting donations is the responsibility of every donor in this helping system. When you involved in this system, then you will be getting an opportunity to help at least 4 families who are needy and are not getting any help from the society. One thing was not understood, that after doing a money order of rupees 3,000, there the remaining 200 rupees. But what to do for the remaining 200 rupees? So I was told that out of rupees 200 left, rupees 150 was the money order charge and 50 rupees to take the color print of the form and scan the form and send it to the system by website's ID with EMO PNR. So this is the total of that remaining 200 rupees, which is arranged separately by the system. When you involve someone for help, then your name is on number 1 in your form. The one who introduced you in this system will be in second position. In the same way, a person involving each person will be upper position in this system. When you get the form, then you get a chance to involve the people in the system to get them help. When you involve other families to get help in this system, then you are in the second number in the form of every person you have added. People included by you have to do the same thing once, only once, just at once. As shown in this chart, if you are introducing one family and those families doing 100% of their work, then it helps you in getting donations near about 8 crores of rupees. You can get donations according to multiple number of such families you involve. The donation figures shown in this chart are true and correct. If every person will give their 100% help or cooperation in this system, then all those people can get this appropriate amount. You will be surprised to know that after taking your part in this system till end, you will be sending near about 87,381 people to post office who have given up thinking about Indian post office for many years. And of course, from those people, you will be getting donation near about 8 crores through money order, and till date, you and your introduced people will be giving money order charges near about 1 crore 30 lakhs and above to the post office. And not only that, the real fun is when after giving an opportunity to help for 4 families, you are giving a chance to involve the unlimited families. Then every donor will send you the help of rupees 1,500 immediately, and 500, 500 and 500 to the other 3 people, and help will be sent by money order. After form number 4, if you introduce to the unlimited families, then they will be from your direct reference. In this way, you can get unlimited help by including unlimited families in this system. So don't delay. Join us and get help from millions. Isn't it the amazing green glory? Then come. Let us propose and to introduce every person in India to join each other with the Indian Postal Service for new generation. And then only new generation should use more and more post office services and encourage them for it. Help others to help ourselves. Make an invaluable contribution to this unique initiative of nation building. Keep in mind, this is not a company, nor investment, nor scheme, and not a business. This is only and only a helping system. Transparent work will help us to help more people and reduce the upcoming financial problems in everybody's life. Thank you, and thank you. Green Glory, Green Glory, Jai Ho.